J hook might be there. Let's fucking go! But that thing took off like a fucking machine.
That thing took off. Sometimes that's what they do, bro. It's crazy. Oh wow, the treble broke.
No way. Oh my god. That is crazy.
It's actually wild.
I got one.
Yeah, if I was able to get one.
Maybe I broke the treble hook as I was pulling it out of his mouth.
Could have been like that. Oh no, don't.
Sicky.
Hold on.
We're good. Solid 25-inch halibut. We put in the work today. Let's go.
Let's go, baby.
We're gonna dispatch this sucker off camera. Shoo!